Welcome to Tech Vibes. Listen carefully because these mistakes slowly damage smart TVs. Most users never realize these mistakes. If your smart TV becomes slow, restarts randomly, shows lines, or dies early, this video is for you. I am explaining from real technician repair experience. Now let us start. Mistake number 1 is using an unstable power source. Never connect your smart TV directly to a wall socket. Voltage fluctuation damages the main board and power board. Always use a good quality voltage stabilizer or surge protector. This step protects your TV from sudden dead issues. Mistake number 2 is blocking ventilation holes. Many users mount the TV too close to the wall or inside cabinets. Heat cannot escape properly. Overheating damages the LED backlight and main board slowly. Keep at least 2 inches gap from the backside. Heat is a silent killer for smart TVs. Mistake number 3 is ignoring software updates. Smart TVs need firmware updates like mobile phones. Old software causes lag, app crash, and Wi-Fi disconnect issues. Always update from the official brand server only. Never install unknown APK files. Mistake number 4 is using the wrong Wi-Fi band. Use 2.4 GHz for stability if your router supports dual band. 5 GHz gives speed but has short range. Weak signal causes buffering and YouTube loading problems. Place the router near the TV if possible. Mistake number 5 is changing service menu settings without knowledge. Service menu is factory level control. Wrong changes can damage the panel or brick the TV. Never change panel type, LVDS, or white balance. Always take photos before any change if advised by a technician. Mistake number 6 is cleaning the screen wrongly. Never spray liquid directly on the panel. Liquid can enter inside and damage the T-con board. Use a slightly dry microfiber cloth only. Do not use alcohol or glass cleaner. Mistake number 7 is keeping the TV always on standby. Standby mode still passes current. During lightning or load shedding, power IC can be damaged. Switch off the TV from main power when not in use. Mistake number 8 is using cheap HDMI devices. Low-quality HDMI cables send unstable voltage. This can damage the HDMI IC and cause no signal issues. Always use branded HDMI cables and devices. Mistake number 9 is ignoring early warning signs. Random restarts, delayed power on, and screen flicker are warnings. Fixing early keeps repair cost low. Delay can lead to mainboard or panel replacement. Mistake number 10 is updating apps during low voltage. Power cut during update can corrupt firmware. TV may get stuck on logo screen. Always update apps when power is stable. This is Tech Vibes. Follow these rules and your smart TV will last many years longer.